kamay sa milyon-milyong Pilipino.
Mr. President, siguro at some point, maybe even outside the session hall or maybe during the period of amendments, I can ask the ICT to show you how this one app na ginagamit ngayon sa e-governance is making so many things so simple, no? Even yung OFWs natin or Filipinos na magta-travel tapos sa immigration dati na ang daming hinahanap, or even yung mga problema natin sa national ID. So, ang point ko po, Mr. President, simple lang, and I don't want to have a long sponsorship speech para hindi mawala sa point. Ano po yung point? The point is only God knows the limitation ng e-governance sa digital age. Halos unli ang opportunities. Think it can be done. Gusto nyo ng e-payments, gusto nyo na walang pila, gusto nyo ng isang app lang, gusto nyo ng facial recognition, gusto nyo iniisip nyo pa lang mag-apply at kunin yung lisensya na yon, pinoproseso na. Actually, with the available technologies and with the right people in the DICT and ibang agencies, magagawa po to. It will not be a magic bullet. Hindi naman po lahat ng problema natin immediately mawawala. Pero it will provide a platform. So kung ang problema natin red tape, mapapabilis. Kung problema natin corruption, maiiwasan. Kung ang problema natin duplication, human mistakes, etc., the E-Governance Act, medyo sakop ito. If you ask me, is it a perfect law? Inexcusable. I mean, sometimes, if you look at the processes, may paliwanag. Pero dito sa e-governance ay may solusyon. So let me close by saying what many foreign affairs minister were telling me during my time at the FAA. Sabi nila sa akin, Alan, are you building highways? Sabi ko, yes, we are. Are you building subways and trains? Yes, we are. Are you building bridges? Yes, we are. And he said, why? Sabi ko, well, without the move the goods, there'll be no development. So sabi niya, it's the same with the digital age. Hindi mo lang makita yung highway. Pero kung hindi mo i-build yung infrastructure sa digital age, ay hindi mo makukuha ang benefits ng digital age. I focus on this, Mr. President, because I have to emphasize na yung konektadong Pinoy, yung mga bills sa cybersecurity, bills sa e-governance, at yung mga pondo na nasa GAA, related to lahat. So hindi to parang isang bill na pag ginawa natin, solve na lahat. Kasi right after this, or kung naka-post to or kung naka-live to sa Facebook ko, it will be very fair if some of